rights activists Comrade Stanley Sazosa Wodi, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stan Lusadi Enterprise, as you rightly call me, the CFO man Edo State. As an individual, we should not be talking about money. Hustling. CFO. Without considering the need for our collective security. And today, I think it is very important for me to come out, to raise an awareness, and to keep Edo people informed that there is a big challenge, not just in the anticipated future, but it has started yesterday, but we are holding it with a kid glove. And I think it is very sacrosanct for us to discuss about it today. In the course of our discussion, we are going to be code mixing and code switching, which simply means that we can leave a trace of an acquired foreign language into our discussion. We can leave our MT, otherwise known as our mother tongue, into our discussion. That is to say, we can be code switching and code mixing at the same time. So specific language to be adopted will be the use of Pidgin English, the use of Benin language, the use of simple and correct English, the use of some technical terminology where necessary. Now, Moku just start with the Pidgin. Many people don't know what they happen around us. We see, say, issues there the Yoruba land. All those states we get boundary with they do. Even if the governors forum come and talk, say, we'll not talk this one, we'll not talk this one. But we need to be very, very intelligent as a citizen. Because for them to reach where governors, it is hard. Now you and me, our mama where they go farm, our papa where they go farm. We have seen cases where they burn series of farms in Ovia areas. So we will not do like this. Pretend like say we not know, say this threat itself, they our doorstep. It is a big threat. And if you say you want to leave for governor alone or government alone, believe you me, at the end of the day, God forbid bad thing, when there is a casualty, it will happen for your family or my family or the next man's family. So it is our responsibility to raise an awareness now. Some people they say, hey, Fulani do this, all those sorry man, X-Men, all those terrorist men, they do this one in so and so thing, they do this one in Osun State. By the power of God Almighty, you are talking about Osun. You are talking about Osun. You are talking about Ondo State. But you are not talking about your state. Do you know why? I be surveyor. I don't move around virtually all the bushes in our state. In fact, I am a bushman. A professional bushman. So if you call me a bushman, so you come and go and say that you are a bushman, I not go argue with you. I don't work out for all these bushes. And I know, say, as we be, as a people, we have been surrounded. We have been surrounded, but we had some people to believe. Enter inside bushes. You will see camps where these people reside. And as at now, you don't know them. You don't know the number of them where they operate. And many people don't agree talk. You know why they don't talk? I want to tell you today. 60% or 70% of the cow where they roll in the street of Benin is owned by Edo people. 60 to 70% of the cow in Edo, rolling in Edo, in the city, they say, Fulani do this, is owned by Edo people. Fulani only they carry those cow, they move here and there. Now Edo people get cow. That is why none of them will ever come out to speak, because now they are cow. What did I tell you so? Now heavy big secret. Edo people now get the cows where you see. Now few, the Fulani. But I tell you the road where those herdsmen they play. When these our people don't back out, they will not call those herdsmen say, come and be managing this cow for me. In that process, they will get you. Ask yourself, how many of those herdsmen will feed back 10, 15 to 20 cows? Not talk of moving fleets of cows around the streets. Now, Edo people get this cow. Now, Edo people be the problem of us. Tell them, say, make them build ranches. If they build ranches, this threat no go too dey much. And as at now, we be like we dey sleep on duty. We are sleeping on duty. If there is a crisis in Ondo State because of herdsmen, and Ondo share boundary with you, and they chase them from Ondo, where you think say that they go, you be the judge. Where you think say that they go, before you see herdsmen apologize, it hurts them. If not, they know they apologize. One governor for this country made one statement in the year 2011 to 2014. I don't go make mistake. The governor say anybody that kills or attack a full animal have created a debt that must be payable someday. Anybody that attacked or killed a full animal has collected or made a debt that must be payable someday. A governor in this country said that. You know, they ask yourself this simple question. Say, how come, if for example, Saponoko they waka pass a main police station, not even division, I mean a local police station, I put knife for pocket. If the police see me, they will arrest me for carrying knife. But those people, those herdsmen, they will see them with dagger, they will walk past. Are we not one Nigeria? Are we not equal in terms of citizenry? Are we not equal in terms of citizenry? This thing, when I tell you so, go and confirm, go and research. I am telling you today, 60 to 70% of the cow where they move around the street of Edo is owned by Edo people. They only commission Fulani men, the herdsmen. Let me not say Fulani because they are good Fulanis. Now Fulani person. Now I carry me come from Lagos when I travel go Lagos some few days ago. Motor who enter break down. Because like me, now only once I don't enter aeroplane, I don't fit to own before. That once now because of crisis. The rest one now ground, now land I dey follow. I never travel come out from Nigeria before. Apart from when I travel, yes, I don't travel come on. When I travel, go Cotonou, Port Novo, go buy vehicle for person. He might travel there, so I never follow the aeroplane. The time when I tell they move, they come. And when I travel with my family, go Ghana, sometime in 2015 for picnic, I never move. And I see transport, I will take go. Road transport, sorry, because all of them are means of transportation. As I come and a full animal, carry me, drop me for my gate for Ogbonge Edo State. But the truth still remains. If you think say those threats is not on ground, with a sleep, move around the old bushes. Might tell you locations where you go. One, as you see that Lagos Road in Sisu, if you enter inside, the food there, but security agency know. The question now be say, why they never go, they go ransack them. Then they come out for bush at free. Then you come and let them go out. When will they travel, they go Lagos, the time when I go Lagos, before December, November period. We can't see people they run for front. You know what the police tell us? See police checkpoint. They say, everybody on the own. When I arrange yourself, these people they get a deal. They can come out at anywhere. They even be like people when they take excuse from police to act. If not because of army will come that day, come pursue those criminal elements. With some of us will go by months. We want to sleep for road because this group don't take over the road. So in case you are not aware, know it today. We have been surrounded. We have been surrounded. And it's so painful that the federal government, they use kid gloves, they hold on, owing to the fact, I don't want to talk today because there is freedom of speech in Nigeria, there is no freedom after speech. But we all know what will happen for our country. No equality as citizens. Some group of people get right to kill, while others will be prepared. You not get right to defend yourself. Thank God for the resilience of the Yoruba people. Forget say those ones say they take day. Sorry to say, forget say they take day. But for those people to come back say forgive us, now because those earthmen and their group they young we. So if there is such calamity in Ondo State, Edo should brace herself against the actions of these persons. Edo people must be ready to praise themselves. And this is the time for you to raise an alarm. Not based on what Osakwonokwoji said. Raise an alarm based on what you have observed. Go and check what is happening in Oriomo. Now recently all those matters come. And those come, you say it come. Now television and radio know the great carry and me for not the fear. Not be say things not the happen. There was a time in this state, cow pursue students come out for inside class. In Ogbeson Abiyowe secondary school. Cow chased. Yes, the network was a little bit bad. And I think it's gradually getting itself. Hello? If you can hear me, just say we can hear you. If you can hear me, say we can hear you so that we continue. Yeah, this place when I did so now one look up zone, so the network said the fluctuate where we're for here. So forgive us. We are going to study the area. They will know the network that will be adopted. If you can hear me, say I can hear you, please, so that we'll continue. Okay, good. So the point being made is very clear. If you think, say, they never round us up, you are making a big mistake. We have been rounded up. It is not time for us to raise an alarm. Not raise an alarm based on what I tell you. Raise an alarm based on your personal observation. The reason why they hear many of these stories again, let me say, the television and radio not agree sure. But the challenges remains. Now I want to use the opportunity to call on the government of Edo State. We do not need to wait for us to begin to lose our able-bodied men, women, and children because of these disgruntled selected elements, otherwise known as headsmen. If you are moving car, we know they stopped the night grazing in Edo. Not until recently when this coffee came into being. Like great people say they do this. People they carry torch for midnight. Some of us they work out for night now. They carry torch for midnight. You see they shine the torch. Then they parade. They don't know anybody. They're not sent. Like say Lord. And the government of this country, I think, sorry to say, everybody knows say Mago dey inside all these things. Mago dey inside all these things. Some people now are second-class citizens in their own country. Second-class citizen in our own country. They have right to kill. If you defend yourself too much, you will be arrested for defending yourself. That's why there was a secret conversation between the chief security officer of the state And the then commissioner of police, oh, Obaseki, you be man. You get what I talk about? I not come here come praise you for this video where you be man. He told the then commissioner of police, said, if I talk this word, he get be. He said, is it because these people are your people and you refuse to act? Do you want me to tell my citizen, my cut and there? Let me just cut the area. Because if I talk the area, it be. Not be the commissioner I then. The then commissioner, not be IT don't go act. But the message being made here is very clear. I know to make matter. Except say you see me for road. If you come my house, you don't go back. If you be Fulani, if you be X-Men, you come my house. If you come Sakunokodi, near Sakunokodi gate, forget you don't go back. You don't go. That one is sure. You don't go. I not pretend to anybody. I not pretend to anybody to tell you say me, I be over a good boy. No. I not be over a good boy at all. Only way I know they do be say I know the thief. I know the collect person thing. If I tell you say something like this, that's what I will take do one. And I what you tell me make I do now I will do for you. But I don't tell you say me not be me na you're lazy. Well you come by the do me for like me. No. I not be muneo. I not be mune. I not be muneo. If you are a Benin man or a Benin woman, you know the character of average Benin man and Benin woman. That character self there with me. No Benin man agree for intimidation. No one. I will not come to social media to come and be doing many way. Oh, yeah, was Sakuno holding or rifu. Oh, Sakuno holding your man. No. No. Apart from waiting, I tell you so. My mate no just tell me say run away. I just say sorry. Many people like me now. What na lie? Na lie. If you talk, you will die. If you don't talk, you will still die. Get yourself prepared as a citizen before General T.Y. Danjuma will come out. Come talk say, one of the reason, there is an agenda somewhere where they never unravel to me and you. And even your governments in various states never even know what agenda dey. If agenda not dey, me and you go and check one state. The minority there na Fulani is gonna they get emir. And they get the emir. Ask yourself how it take on. Turkey as a country was a secular state. As of today is an Islamic state. This topic deep, not be live video they talk on. You get what I tell you? Not be live video. We need to have a communication network, a WhatsApp group. If not be honest, if WhatsApp send off carry on, you need a communication group. We need it as a citizen. I know what a rapid response communication group. Not be Facebook, will be public war. Because it's our collective resolve to ensure collective security. Not go say, hell. Another thing one wants to talk. We get so many mumu youth. Heavy mumu. They don't know about Fulani. Sorry, they don't know about Esme killing. Those terrorists. They don't know about them. They themselves, they look another man in the name of courtesan. They'll say this one are color A. This one are color B. This one are color C. This one are color D. I don't like the way this man did the wrong thing. I don't like the way this man did the wrong things. Hey, who be that guy? They say him now Jonai no. Oh boy, they must get them down. Now that will be they'll be professional for those kind of one. Whereas the enemy is invading you, you are busy looking at your capable personnel and manpower where you want to bring down. All in the name of courtesy. All in the name of courtesy. While we were in school, it get what thing they give us that, and I will be the champion of that with the champion for school. Say no to courtesy. Courtesy is evil, don't join. It is the truth. Have you ever asked, have you ever seen somebody somewhere coming to you to say, I beg now, come and take money, come join us and we can take this money? No. Once they begin beg you to involve in something, no, say if that thing is good, nobody will call you. Excuse me now. I say, I don't get money, come and take it. Marry poor and they go for streets. When me know say myself don't miss, I don't miserable in one way or the other, I'll say no, you lay me. Other people must go down. Now you see those talk when they call the people say, hello, come and join this one, come and join this one. You never see the best person make a collect money. I mean, do anywhere where do they go? You know worse. As of today, youths are now looking at themselves like animals. Will not join, not get level. But may God continue to give us the opportunity to get the level this on our own. If you say your head is hot, we'll tell you, say that thing when you do inside courtesy, you must not join court before you feel act. You must not join court before you feel act as a man. If that one might be the issue. So must you get yourself involved? The difference between ordinary man and courtesy be say, you go say and say, if Christopher do something for Siloko Road, if Matthew do something for Upper, if Festus do something for Mubahi, you can't kill me put. That's what you sign. If you know man now ever, I don't fear you or in the name of courtesy. You don't know anything. You did not fight anybody. Because you join one group, they'll say, go and fire them and they are a member. That's the difference. When you do what you right, when you try, you deliver. For them to hear you say, oh, Usakuno, what did they try? They'll say, man, you don't know that guy. That color A guy. They will not mention your name. They will give credit to your color. Because you are no longer free and independent. You are working for a group of selected outlaw organization. Where we say the goal and objective of this organization na supremacy. May they say na me key pass. May they say na me day pass. Is that not stupidity? You are busy until your fellow youth. Your territory has been surrounded. If you never know today, you'll be mumu. You are a mumu. So when you see youth, they'll invest in each other. May this man move. May those, I don't like, don't be this man. May all this man come on, yeah. Or he not do you want it. He not do you to do. Because you hear say he did this one and you did this one. It now becomes an opportunity for you to continue to hate yourself. Christopher, no, I know you make that. I just a side example. You understand? Not be your name, my target, bro. Thank you. It is all about supremacy. May they say, Namiki pass. No other thing, no other benefit. Now the guy keep pass. Now he be. No other thing attached. Please excuse me. Let me fix something. One minute, please. Yes. No other string attached. May they say, na the guy, na keep pass. They believe, yes, finish, supremacy. Now this one day pass this one. Now this one day pass this one. That is the problem we are facing. Cultism has destroyed our collective existence. Cultism. It don't destroy where. But in case they don't know, they are foolish set of people. We know they had that one. You are a fool for killing your fellow brother in the name of one useless organization. Where you don't do for months, years, you never sit down, no money. You waste so for no reason. And when you hear pain from external force, you dey run. But when you see your brother, you dey find out they go to kill. If you think I am joking, summon courage, move, follow those oases, enter those bushes through Lagos, Biniore area. You use your eyes sweet in the talk. They get calm. The commissioner of police, as they come, as they enter power, then they brief, they say, see where they did. All these commissioners, they know. Every Nigerians have the right to move freely, get it clear. But we need to know who and who did those areas. Because if they never kill your own, you don't know how painful it is to those who lost their own for those kind of issues. If it never affects you, you're not going to know how it pain those people. So we number one make it affect us first. The time to act as a citizen and as a state is now. If we don't act, we say, I ain't no worry. We not going to remember this live video. I thank God today. The government will get for Edo, a very proactive government. But I advise this government to look into this area. This area is a great area. Look into it. Because if they not succeed again for Ondo, Edo is going to be a hotbed. Corner boundary. It's going to be a hotbed. Now, stone throw, they don't ball. So while they are acting in that area, we should brace ourselves against the negative multiplier effect of these persons. Tell friend truth, in not his boyfriend. But we wake up. Somebody called me one day during the elections. He said, comrade. See how they use trailer, they drop many of them. They use trailer, drop many of them for to our side. They bring them, they come and say, okay, no shaking. Immediately, I reported the issue. Whether action do, action don't do, media already report. Security not be one man business. Now everybody, as at now, with all due respect to what I do, I never told them before. I am saying this again. We get the solution to address this problem. The problem of cultism, the problem of kidnapping. We not say we will feel eradicate them in totality in our country, in our state to be precise. But we can reduce it to the barest minimum. I might be talking now, but the solution is with us. You could recall I posted a video where we were having interactions with the former National Security Advisor of the state of India. myself and my partner in Lagos. Just recently, again, we had another meeting. We are going to see how we can be able to attract some mechanisms that will help us to address this security challenge, if and only if we are given the opportunity to act. Now, let me tell you, to address this problem will not be military or war-like situation. It's going to be a carrot and stick approach. I will not explain further on live video. But certainly, when it is time for us to do what is right and we are given the opportunity, we'll come out with these ideas. I told you, I talked about before now a second. We not be the kind of man where we say when we do election. As election you finish, when you carry check, we sit down for government, we wait for Obaseki. If it may come, no. And that's why I must thank God. And I must thank Edo people. Edo people send money. During the election, because okay. They bless me way. After the election, they not rest. They say, okay, now, since now this thing comrade read, he read survey, he read urban and regional planning, he is a professional in this field. Let us bless him with what he knows how to do best. That is why till date, I am still getting benefits from Edo Worldwide, because when anyone wants to do CFO, what do I want to do my CFO? When anyone want to do their survey to apply, because survey is one of the basic requirements to apply for CFO. They say, what do you want to do survey and CFO? No, sometimes my phone, I want to say, hey, I want to receive the favorite call. Phone not talking about. It is sweet me, eh? Forget, say maybe I see the tire at times as a human. Or rien. When a group of people know your name, see you to call, Igiaye. So even if they say, oh God, you call, it is sweet. I enjoy. Oh, rien. Because Edo Worldwide choose to say, we want you to do it for us. May I not be the kind of person who can come and pretend. Can't tell you say the next man not good, saying I need good. No. I cannot come to social media to say, may you better give me work. I come and say, yeah, oh. I come and phone me are too good. Now lie you. We are all of us the earth. We are imperfect human. Only what me no go fit do. And I will fit eat your money. Waiting up me I will take her. But if I want to work for you, I'll tell you see the work. See the amount. You not go pay me for A, I go do B. If you pay for A, I give you A. I will tell you say this C, that they see A and B, see the money for A, see the money for B. Many people what would they able to do when they do survey, they don't know they don't know the difference between these surveys. But the owner be said they just say they draw map, they draw the size of the land, but they don't know the difference. Because the two are not the same, they resemble. But they don't be the same. Osayomore said the color of Ogogoro Kankan and the color of water, they resemble, but they don't be the same. For those who are interested, get yourself prepared. A donor for everybody. A donor for everybody. Not be for me alone, and not be for you alone. Now for all of us. We all are Nigerians. As a patriotic citizen, we must pay our allegiance to the country. But get it clear. Now, because you recognize that you will be Benin man, you be a fair man, you be a Rama, You be a Sama. Now you tell no say you be Nigerian. Because if to say you be Zulu man, you for be South African. So if you forget where you for the come first, you are making a big mistake. Security and everybody business. Check these bushes, this people are there. Cow drives to the more class. The facts are there. We know they come and come talk because we want your talk. Cow drives students come for class. The Bonfu farm chase people away for VR. We still do like this. We dey look. We dey pretend like say nothing dey happen. Something dey happen, no. Something dey happen. In the past, somebody in this country said, in 2002, he said, we will never stop in our quest to ensure that Nigeria becomes an Islamic state. That person has been contesting elections. Maybe he can later win, I don't know. But he said the same statement in 2002 that we will never stop in our quest to ensure that Nigeria becomes an Islamic state. Everybody get right to freedom of expression, freedom of association, freedom of religion. But for you to forcefully conquer us and make us become a second-class citizen in our own country, Imana Bokbiayi or Masemana Nalela. Mami Piani na wa gbewa yiwa. Me bubu yeke. O Mase. Mami Piani. Iwani Olela. Na two separate things. So I want to round up this video. I think it's very important for us to discuss about it. Just to raise the awareness. And by the power of God Almighty, our official correspondence and proposal to tackle the security challenges in Edo State will get to the governor's desk as soon as possible. Because security, not everybody matter. We first talk from the beginning. We talk on. Now live video here I talk on. I not support Obaseki because I want me to share money for me. No. I fed the fight for money. Omana they go me equal when I remember for this everybody know. I fight put I not tell you like. They know my eye, they nearly kill me. But when I change my mind, if I just start, I just start. And I talk at the end of the whole activity say, we will join in ensuring good governance. We will come out with ideas to push the state forward. One of the ideas is already out. No need to make noise. Me, I am a bushman. I move from bush to bush. In fact, I don't almost tour the whole communities in Edo State. I know what is happening. I have first-hand information. If not because, say, in the last week and this week, I did very engaged in the CFO office. That will not stop my survey work. All my survey activity continues. I have to now create room for division of labor. Make some good design, make some good design. We continue activity till date, even till today. But the one when I post today, now when I configure, join them for work after I try to address key issues in the GIS. So we know exactly what in the happen for our bush. We don't go somewhere, go do survey work with a hurry. May I not commit on because they think they'll kidnap you, they'll pay ransom just as low as 50,000. It depends on your pocket. And let me quickly advise our people. As you see those who know where they use on a phone till they receive alert. I beg, if you receive alert, delete them. If you receive alert, delete that alert immediately. Try me, you get your account number, your account, your account balance, they get up for head or the right hand somewhere. As they come up for us, as alert enter your phone, delete them. Because as they hold you, the first way they look, now your alert, now they take determine your balance and what they will bill you. Ensure say once as the alert enter your phone, man can you don't see them, delete. Delete. And be very, very careful with the information when you give people around you and those that you call your friends. Be very careful. These are security people. Be very extremely careful. Be very, 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 very careful. Now, make a round up by using this opportunity to thank all the Edo people worldwide for your patronage. I don't tell you just now. Me as I this is that election courage now, never rest. Since the end of elections, courage now, I never rest. I'm not telling you say I don't tire. I'm not telling you say I don't tire from my work. We are still going on with the work. But at least very soon we'll see how small, like 2 days sleep. Me will take replenish. Come in as I did in a local. I know if you say I want to go one place for a picnic, what do you call it? Where they say vacation. I not say I go those one. Don't say I don't like them. I like them. But we serve now very local Sakuno. The fact we say, if not because of say, they follow people like we on media. For us, we just when I hear nobody. Sorry, not be we. Might not say we, because I'm not speaking for other persons. Other person might be somebody. But like me know by myself say, me for I not be anybody normal. I not be anybody. But with your collective support, what's happening? I can't turn somebody. If I think I can stand alone, that is to say I am the king of noise making. I can't stand alone. And I'm glad that you guys is standing by me. Somebody called me one day, say, man, comrade. I said, sir, say, man, with the monitor everything, if they were fish go you like a pear, then you could know say you get people. You know say you get people will like you, will never call you one day. They just look you. And that is why me say they pray to God. May God give me the ability, the wisdom, the discernment, and the knowledge to act and not to betray those that repose confidence on me. And make God not let greediness say, hi, make I go do what I not supposed to do. If not 2 naira, we will take. If not 10 naira, we will take. But say make we tell you so we want to do this. Come go later do that. May God not let us do that in Jesus' name. The overwhelming joy and love is too much. I go to survey to somebody today. We go to survey for somebody. I don't post the video. This man don't know me before. Now person I do survey for. Now he take call say that person will do survey for. I want to see that guy on like him. If I never do something for that boy now, he don't reach 10 for only. Now today I shock when he told say in there somewhere when you see person they carry shoe they dash me. That's why I go survey for. I not still know that one. He dash. But which benefit you talk women never see from Edo people? Tell me. Tell me. Na money. Na shoe. Tell me now. And if anybody say, hey, make you know, forget that one with the supposed to be shoe rich, you don't know me, shoe rich. I may agree with you on your own, shoe feel not rich for you. But to me, shoe na aeroplane. Because if that person don't give me, they don't shoot him. They don't shoot and say, boy, why didn't you give it to Sakurokuli? So he chose to give me from his own heart. And it's my own responsibility to appreciate. Even if you go fit buy those things 50, that one where that person gave you, not be your own until he give you. So that one said, join them. Then beneath the talk say, I'm a rebellion. So those people, I am indeed very extremely grateful for all your efforts. On my senior, I know why. And please, endeavor to like my page. Osakwino Coding Media Group. Reach the like her. Follow us. Because there we will drop some key activities for your viewing and listening pleasure. Now, if me they wish you bad, I dey say, hi, me when because I never travel go abroad. Because I never travel go abroad, I'll say, hi, what did the abroad? When they go sit down, they will come for Jana, may go sit down. When they abroad, may they go behind, man. That one act of jealousy. If I wish you were there abroad, say, may they go sit down. May your own not clear. I may want to clear here. My own can clear. Because my work, my job is tied to you. That is why God said, will see they bless you where you dey. May you still get what you need to get for your life. May you see reasons to still come patronize us. I tell somebody today, we go where we go watch vehicle. After we don't close for first work, vehicle dirty. Now I say, okay, more you reach them who wash on. But they still no say, we know still reach like that. So they wash the motor. Now one of my staff say, the air freshener will buy that day for Persian. The air freshener not the scent. And really, when we check the air freshener, no scenting. They spray them. They spray the cellophane with it by them. It is scent. The air freshener itself, nothing there inside. The guy, that my staff say, anyway, you see that when we hold on and say, relax. I'm going to buy air freshener. 3,500. And you expect me buy. You expect that guy's pressure was set. At last, I only give that guy money, make it go. I can't tell that my staff say, come. You will now because you get comfortable, now make you buy a fresher. You cannot be hungry when you go buy a fresher. You won't try it. You never eat. You go buy a fresher. You can't try it. So for you to buy a fresher, it shows that you are comfortable. So allow that man be. It's not as if I support bad thing, but it is the truth. I say allow that man be. It don't be, it don't be. That one self shall pass. So, on my own, I pray, may God self they replenish and to develop you guys the more. Male and female. Who not succeed? Who not succeed will feel balance? Who not balance will do see of who? Who not balance will do survey? Not be when God make him feel work, his work, he do this, God, he see the fruit of his labor. Now he go say he want to balance. As he balance, he go say, I need to secure. May they not collect waiting I don't suffer for. I want to do see of. So I will not hold in. Me, I never get my own there. If you don't want your friend to be a king, you can never be a friend to a king. If you do not want your friend to be a king, you can never be a friend to a king. Envy kills. Envy kills. I will not pray, come here to paint myself. To say that so we deal, we are not deal. I never go jam before. Somebody tell me, say, you say you be coordinator general, I do diaspora connect. We will never go jam. I need to be the coordinator of Nancy, my dear brother. I'm not telling you say that me go the coordinator for abroad. I never reached that level. But for the activities here, as far as we are concerned in diaspora connect, now me the coordinate them here. And now they give me say coordinate, and not by myself jump who say I want to coordinate. I'm not me. I will remain my looker. Till when God say, oh sir, I'm gonna get up, now your turn. I don't want to come here and do only. When they'll say the kingdom of God, they'll say, oh, this one they're too good that they won't enter. But I will try my possible best to be good. I will try my possible best to do what is right. Maybe one day Jehovah will say, come on, Stanley Usaze, manage, enter into my kingdom. Manage, enter into my kingdom. Because if we say we could check on the basics of our actions, we may not be qualified. And if we say we could judge on the basis of our action, so many other people will be angry with people like us. Imagine you call somebody one, you call her two, you call her. A woman call me this morning and cry, but she don't know. She say she has been calling me for more than a month and not pick her call. Her brother called me for more than 2 weeks and not pick that one call. Now they say me they wait, I'll pick one day. As of today, the woman called me. That job, she keep her. I shock. I shock. I shock. The thing be like feel. I sit down today and the reason I see, but myself I say, I be done the too fuck up. But people don't go understand. We be still human being. We get activities too. Cause the con. Not someday we be say you don't. There was a day here. One bros where they do things for me where don't. He in Nigeria now. He called me. He was going to come and see me now, my dear. See the way my body be. If I don't sleep, I will faint. I can't say, "Oh, they come, team. I not feel good. I fall for. As I fall for, I so sleep to take me. As I wake up, they don't. As I bath, my power come back. We self na still human being. I not tell you say I dey tire. I not tell you say I don't tire for my work. Not go use this language. Say you say oh my work. But I never tire. I tell you to give me work. If you do the road work, if you the risi, ya bomeu. I'm your one name, Iriabi. Ya bomeu. If you say make you check, make you scrutinize me, I don't fuck up many times. Women don't go know. Only what I pray for. Now make I not reply anybody with harsh tone, even if I am angry. I better look for a way to avoid it first. When I'm calm, we will discuss. May God not let me attack those who see us as person. I have a guy that just joined us now and they watch us now. Ekato Austin. This Ekato Austin. I like him, but he's the highest attacker of Osakudokuni. The highest attacker of Osakudokuni on social media. But I like the guy. Do you know why? Because me, I be the person who say I like challenge. 1 and 2. I don't like hailing. I didn't like criticism because I touch. Criticism be it make you see road for nights. As touch be. So if people really say, oh sir, we don't walk, oh sir, we don't walk, oh sir, we don't walk, oh sir, we don't walk. No one tell me say, you the fuck up for this area. Me I don't accept that one. I must want to hear, know where my mistake they make an amen. If to say me no they take advice, as at now, and for the political redundancy in the do. Now youths now call me to order. Okumbo from Australia, Stanley Oji, Kisley Mene, and many more. I listen to them. Today, we join talk of the town. I may not be the highest. I may not be the second highest. I may not be the third highest. But I know I am not the lowest. We serve the game. My this opportunity to greet one of our leaders. Although he's a member of the opposition, he's a great man of inestimable value. Agbonaye Eredia One, World Babari, I salute you. Luciano Divine, I greet you. Stephen Edosoma, I salute you. Eyobo Mavis Ubewi, you are a great man. Ehinomen Aslam, I salute you. Terry Tommy, thank you for joining us. I salute you. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. Me, I never tell you before, we don't get enemy. All of us get our individual interests. And we're going to fight to ensure that we engage ourselves in what is right. Get yourself prepared. There is already a security situation that must be addressed. Chidi, Henry, Euclair, Augustine, and Sunday Ojo, Blessing, I salute you all. Ward Lucino, Naman Yubi, Chris Lee, and Sherry, Stephen, Bello, I salute you. Ward Ostino, I greet you. Wisdom, God's son, you too clear, your teeth complete, nothing do you. Let me recognize some of you this evening. Those that I'm seeing right now, I'm saluting you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bright Holy. Oh, that's British Holy. You be man. Clear road. Now, Dogo you be nobody. Your teeth complete. I salute you. Adesuwa Ojo, you are welcome. I salute you as well. A great woman. Thank you very much for following us. Not even by your MB. Not even by your data. Not even by your time. But you take from your little time to listen to me. God will bless you. Good evening. World Webezi, my most respected leader, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. I salute you. You bound. Mary Tabi, I greet you. Webezi, I re-echo your healing. You get why you too much. Emmanuel Iyamo, I greet you. I salute you. I greet the house all the way from Ibadan. Sherry Stephanie Bello, all the way from Ibadan. I greet you, Yubam. Neri Johnson. Neri Johnson, thank you for watching. I greet you, I salute you. I'm indeed very grateful to you guys. I think this the much we can take, and if I have not mentioned your name, this Ituhan Bella, I salute you all the way from Spain. I greet you. Samson Agu, you too much, your teeth complete. I greet you. Augustine, the only one I get the three. I salute you. Oh, Sabrina David Ebony, all the way from Pakistan. You see why social media are clear? Because I sit down here and somebody they observe my view from Pakistan. Easy life. Oh God. If I don't hear you, let me say my teeth not complain, I have teeth. Yes, it's very important for us to raise the security awareness, and that's why we are creating a sustainable template from that. Oh my God, my brother in this your Arab writing, not maybe if you pronounce the name. all the way from Ghana. I salute you, man. I'm the name of the Arab now. I salute you, Claro. John Ikmowosa, all the way from Sweden. I greet you. I greet you. Newton, all God's glory. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not shared, share this video. Monde Omar, Adesuwa Obaze, Osewengi, Steve Odia. I salute you. If you have not clicked on your share button, please share. If you have not given us your like or your love, please give us. Chris Lee, I salute you, Chris Lee. Thank you very much, Chris Lee. You're a great man. Please, if you have not shared, share. If you have not given us your like or your love, please give us. You see, they make our mind sweet small. If you never give us, give us. Okay, Imperi, the leader, I greet you. George Ameze, I greet you. You too much. Abdul Rashid Umaru, I salute you. I salute you all. Felicia Imafidon, you are highly welcome. FB Agbonaima, you are welcome, my dear brother. Destiny Inorense Omoha, I greet you. Thank you for giving me this love. Thank you for the likes. Please, no lamb. Give them to us. Give them to Saguno Hudi. It is sweet. We the like and will not pretend. Or but if you have not shared this video, please share. Because security in everybody's business. We've discussed extensively. I greet you. Tracy Osage, you clear. Andrew Omori, you bound. Mick McDonald, your teeth complete. You get what I tell you. I salute you. Destiny Norris Moka. Oh, hello, bro. You are a great man. Thank you very much. I think we have to call it today. I am Usak with no hoodie. Omoye Onaiwu. Wow. The most respected Omoye Onaiwu. You are welcome for watching us this evening. Charles Igbineweka. Omoye Onaiwu, don't worry. More leave your matter first. You're on another topic. Yes, for those who are George, amazing. You requested for my WhatsApp number. I get the WhatsApp number, but now two WhatsApp I get. The other one, the number is zinc, he hook for my head. So you give me opportunity to go to bring out. But my phone number, the WhatsApp first one, 070 3610 9939. Felix Oko, I greet you. 070 3610 9939. Barbara Igbineweka, you too much now. Gabriel Aifuwa, Peter Prince, I salute you guys. I'm indeed very, very grateful. In fact, Egosa Osayende, I greet you, boss. Osan Okbogi, Ezeofo Isaac, I salute you. I salute you. Sami Igori, I salute you. I have a friend called Omo Igori. He's the king of documentary. Tony Edobo and Olabisi Koka. Thank you very much for joining us. We are indeed very grateful. So the phone number still remains 070-3610-9939. Please, oblige me with the opportunity to go and bring your dad. Because I know they don't have for head. I knew by him. It not be still new like that. But the head not really carry on. I don't know why I not enter the head. Man of us, Clifford. Oh, Mr. Cliff. Murphy N. Odigie. Efosa Balogun. I greet you all. Sarah Ivier. You too much. I beg. You too much. Everything there with you. Your teeth complete. Crave my indulgence. Make I bring that the phone so that now feeling reach me for this other WhatsApp. And in fact, now this other WhatsApp when I want to give you now they go past because of this area when I did na village. I go ahead, thank you. Efosa Balogun, na man you be too, bro. You too much. Who the Zuzu? No, I don't fit try him. You get what? Excuse me. You see, while I was inside doing live, many calls come in. This person now go say, so I'm going to hold the no green pick, but you're not going to see now because I engage in one or two activities. And this kind of person now the verse, I beg. Now let me call the number. This WhatsApp. This one is 081 20 10 7155. 081 20 10 7155. Thank you very much. Henry Africa Gabriel of Morige, I salute you. Odita Nandi, I salute you. Tony Adobo, thank you very much. Chris John, Oliver Tambo, you are highly welcome. Please, we're about to round it up. So we all know our collective challenge. Let's stand. Yes, let me call it again. 08120. Take it again, sorry. 08120 10 7155. 08120 10 7155. Thank you very much. Good evening and have a lovely night rest. Let me see if I can reach out to these persons who just called. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye. And somebody say, you don't use more than the time you talk, say you want use it. Now the truth, I don't use more than the time because to talk to you people, they sweet me. I enjoy an interaction. It's not easy for people like you to listen to me. Waiting, I put good format. So for you to listen to me at all, it is sweet me, I enjoy them. I'm not going to tell you, like, I don't tell you, say, not the sweet me. And I'm even the benefit them. You get what I tell you? So, boss, thank you very much. Keep following me. I'm very grateful and I honor your presence. So, have a lovely day. Sorry, have a lovely night rest from here and from members of my family. We say good night. Please reach out to me. See your phone now, they do. I be professional for the survey work. Both geodetic survey, cadastral survey, plane table survey, any kind of perimeter survey, astronomical survey, anyone with inside Gidigba. So reach out to us. We'll give you the best and we'll apply for your C of O for you. But we don't want to talk of C of O today. We'll come back again for another video to give you the details.